In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your files on OneDrive only without them taking up space on your computer. This can be incredibly useful if you're trying to manage your computer's storage while still having easy access to all your important documents in the cloud. Whether it's photos, work projects, or any kind of file, keeping them on OneDrive can save a lot of local space and ensure everything is backed up in a secure location. First things first, open your File Explorer. This is where you'll find all your files and folders on your computer. The File Explorer icon looks like a small folder and is usually located on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, look for your OneDrive folder. You'll generally find this in the Quick Access section or on the left side of your File Explorer, labeled as OneDrive with a little cloud icon next to it. Once you've navigated to your OneDrive folder, the next step is to decide which files or folders you'd like to keep online only. Take a moment to think about which files you don't need immediate access to locally, but still want to ensure are safely stored. Select these files by clicking on them. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key as you click each one. This can really streamline the process if you're dealing with several files at once. After you've selected the files, right-click to reveal more options. In the menu that appears, scroll down until you find the option that says Free Up Space. This is your key tool as it will relocate these files to be online only. Selecting Free Up Space means that while your files are still accessible from your OneDrive folder, the local copies are removed from your hard drive, freeing up precious space on your computer. Once you've completed this action, these files will now be marked as online only. You'll notice a small cloud icon next to their name in File Explorer, indicating that they are stored in the cloud. This means that they won't take up local storage space, but are still readily accessible anytime you're connected to the internet. When you need to work on them again, just click the file and it'll download back to your machine quickly. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your computer's storage while keeping your files organized and accessible in OneDrive. This ensures you're not only maximizing your device's performance but also staying organized. So whenever you find your computer's storage filling up fast, remember this method to help lighten the load. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.